Hello friends, welcome to Health Buddy Natural. Aim of our channel is to give information about maintaining health and reduce medical expense. Today's topic is question answer episode. In today's Q&A session or question answer episode, we will take some questions which are useful for all the viewers. So we will start. First question or comment is from Mr. Anil Bharti ji. He is asking, dry fruits should be fried or not? So I will not recommend that process. Reason is always we should avoid fried food in general, and especially dry fruits when you fry. It's not very good for health. Best way to eat dry fruits is to soak the fruits in water. For example, it is fig or it is dry grapes or it's almond. Any kind of dry fruit, when you soak in the water, it will take extra heat of that dry fruit, and then next day morning when you eat that fruit, it is really good for health. Secondly, dry fruits you can roast. Roasted nuts are okay. They are good in taste. So if you are eating roasted almonds, it's okay. So groundnut, when you roast it, it is good. But when you fried it, it will be more calorie, and too much oil and too much butter is not good for health. So try to have dry fruits in a soaked water or roasted dry fruits. Another comment is from Alpa ji. She is our very regular viewer and always support by commenting and asking things. She is asking about the online course. What is that course and what is the subscription charges? It is a good question so that all other viewers will also know what really online course means. There are many people who are very busy, but they want to know about their own health, their own body, and also want to take care of their family, friends, etc. without going to doctors. For those people, we have designed a general knowledge course for Ayurveda. It includes all different aspects which are necessary to know for the common people without being a doctor. There are two levels in the course. Level 1 is Ayurvedic Introduction. This is a 1 week course, Monday to Saturday or any day you start. It is a 1 week classes, 6 days classes, and this course, if you do, you will know all the basic elements of Ayurveda. In detail we'll discuss in the class. Also we send you after the class the PDF of all the classes, so you can ask the question after reading the PDF. It is very useful for the people who are really interested to know what Ayurveda is, how it works, etc. The charges, the level 1 charges 2,999. These charges are one-time charges, and when you do level 1 and you are more curious to know about Ayurveda, then for those people who want to know little more, level 2 is also there. So level 2, the duration is 2 weeks, and in level 2 you will know the further detail about the diagnosis methods, treatment part of Ayurveda, mainly home remedies you will know, which is very useful to take care of day-to-day health problems. So like that you will be able to help yourself and also to around. And if we talk about the level 2 charges, then this is 3,100 rupees. So level 1 and level 2, if you do together one by one, then it will be total 3 weeks course, and total charges will be approximate 7,000 rupees. So if you have less time, you want to divide in 2 parts, that's why we have designed level 1 separate, level 2 separate, so that if you have 1 week time, level 1 is sufficient, and then later on whenever you get time you can join the level 2 course. What benefit you get from this online class is you will have individual interactions. So individual interactions means you can ask many doubts which generally not possible when you see video. And secondly, we provide this course in Hindi and English as well. So both the language people can get benefited. It's separate for English language knowing people, and separate course will be there for Hindi language knowing people. Anytime if you have time, you can ask us, you can email us. We will send you the link of registration. You register it and then we'll start the class. Secondly, regarding subscription charges, this is I think for channel you are asking. So as personally I have already cleared, but for other viewers I would like to clear. There are different kind of subscription which YouTube provide for viewers. Especially there is a join button given to every channel, so that people who are really liking the channel and the content, they can financial contribution to the channel monthly basis. But nowadays it's not like you have to pay every month. Nowadays YouTube have started only one time system, so you can pay one time, and whenever you feel like contribute more, then you can use the same join button link. Some people, if they get really good benefit and they want to help us financially, they are most welcome, but it's totally voluntary. Next question is from Moses. He is asking, jackfruit is good. Can we eat jackfruit? I would like to clear, all the seasonal fruits are good for health if you are a healthy person not having any specific disease, and whatever region you are staying. Suppose you are staying in Himalayas, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, there will be different kind of fruits available. Same way if you are staying in Canada or USA, different kinds of fruits are available, different berries are available in Canada and other parts. So according to region, whatever fruits are available, they are good for health, for the people who are staying in that region. That is made by nature. Same way Kerala is having jackfruit, so it is really good for health, and you should eat all the fruits on their season only. Whenever season of mango is there, then only you should eat mango. If there is no season and still fruits are coming, you should try to avoid. The seasonal fruits are only good for health. Without season, if you are eating that fruit, sometimes it may create complication of health. So please take care of season, which season you are eating. And again I am want to clear that if you are having any disease, particularly digestive system related disease and skin disease, etc., please do not eat all the fruits in whatever manner you want to eat. First consult with doctor, or you can email us. We also give online consultation. Then only you take fruits according to disease condition. For general people, they can eat all the seasonal fruits. Next is Krishnaji asking about voice is not good. So sorry for that. Actually in initial videos I have used only general headphone of the phone to record the videos, because I was not aware about the technical equipments what are used for recording. But later on I improved. Now last few months I am using a proper quality microphone, and I hope the voice quality have improved. But still your feedback is always welcome. Please give us technical feedback also regarding video quality or voice quality. We will try to improve. Another question is asked by Sonu ji. She is asking, I am having pitta body type and I am having problem of pimples also, and body heat and overweight problem. So I would like to suggest not only to Sonoji but other viewers also. For pimples, we have answer in our last Q&A video. So you can see the link of that Q&A video in our description. And for body heat, Pitta dosha video already is made in a detail, because it's related with Pitta dosha. So that measures whichever I mentioned there will be really helpful if you follow those measures. And third thing, she is asking about weight loss. So yes, for that also we have made video about how to reduce weight. So all this video if you will watch, and all the viewers I will suggest, whenever you see one video you like, try to see other videos also. So your 80% question will be solved by seeing those all other videos we have made. Sonu ji, you may have a hormone related problem. I don't know about your age, but generally young age people are getting pimples more. If you are young and you may have hormone imbalance, that also cause this body heat and pimples. So I need to have a detailed case history from your side, so you can email me and then we can discuss in detail about this problem. So I will request all other viewers also who really want to know the proprietary medicine of Ayurveda regarding disease condition, then email us. We will know your case history, and if needed, then only we will suggest for our online consultation also. That consultation we give on very nominal rate, and that is 1 hour consultation which solve your many health related issues. We try to include the comments for everybody. It may be asked by one person, but it is useful for other people also. That's why we include in Q&A video. Thanks, and keep commenting, keep asking. We really feel pleasure to reply all your questions and comments. It takes sometimes not possible to answer immediately, but we will reply whatever time it takes. Okay. If you have any questions regarding health or suggestions regarding video or any new subject to make video, that all things you can write us. You want to register for our any medical camp which is going to organize nearby your city, then you can register your name through email. Many of you want to become your own doctor. You want to take care of your own and your family people's health. For that purpose only we have made an online Ayurveda course. In that course we teach you how to maintain health with the help of lifestyle and diet and other changes. If you are interested to read health related books, we have already given the link of the book. Get that book either in the ebook format or in the paperback format. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.